Asa crab, nipa ben.
Efya se so pa na so wan share unkomu wonim papa ne bone na so bone na woye ewu de brebrebe ubenya so akechia na mini pa se wamba wait there ojefo ne hwan Abotrewo we eme nkunindie to wasio bibia beyeye
Ade ntime assemble nkure wo de ye ne nkọ baby kura enji so spark ade no be say me spark ya ma ya tira o ke ya whatsapp na me de sibra sisi asa crab nkọ be Hey, yes, na Efya say benye obi ana wa be na Diasa mu ekra na ka nda be ne assemble nkuri ha na ka nda be ne nya fault me say ye una say ka nu nta na wudu na ke ma yes say we mama na say ya o ba da shame o ka say me twa mo dia shame ana down to na ko ke bi see my nyash. Now you to see my nyash. You spoil the car. Let's go and find someone to come and do it for us. Young Quenko probably number in my son. I'll be come. Hey, I rather send man to kill it. Now, we got one okay, but no, you have a panic. Who had the work? Why was sending mama all these things? You spoil my car, you see your life. My grandma got to them when she married. Uncle Penny for my yama. From today onwards, you will not sit in my car again. You will not sit in my car again. Me corner man for why I not what be found. Me who is so. Can anu ya me koye wa makana se. Eyi pato fita ni na otufi ono ni ho. Oh. Me dey on to am tell me. You want to my. Let me Esi akwa ha obi enu why na? Yes e bend. Oh. No be order the obey there for your car. Mechanic run only work. Oh, what's so high? I send them to be order obey there for your car. Obey ya, Catherine, obey me on for you. Hello, boss. Hi. Hey, afternoon. If I show. Please, she spoiled my car, so we want to go and check and see if it is it not Honda Civic?
Honda Civic?
Yes.
Oh, so what exactly is the problem?
Me, I don't know. She went and sat at the front and the car said it to again. You are on
Espake.
But
you can't move a car.
Espake, I'm not too
good. Oh, I know the problem.
No, be how will you
The problem is the verbatim.
Okay, let's go so that you do it first.
Caused the problem. Oh, let's go and let me help you. I'm coming. Let's go. Please relax. Let's go.
Back at you.
Back with you solo. Kuzo. Honda Civic.
Yes.
Civic Honda.
Yes.
Let's go. Is it far away from here? Is it far away from here?
It's not far. No. So I have a car from me. Why?
I have to go because it's my profession.
If you not be able to do it, go back and...
It's my profession, madam.
It's my professional. It's your professional and you are reading at the inside. You are telling me.
Forget about that.
Forget about what? Don't
worry, I said I will do it for you. What can you do? I will do it for you. Don't worry at all.
Where are you going? This is the car.
This is Corolla. You said it's Civic.
If it's Civic or Corolla, go and do it.
This one is Corolla. You said that one was Civic.
If it's Corolla, Daria or Civic, do it for us. What you want? This is the key.
Okay. Please, I beg, come on from the front side.
Why? Someone. Now where I am here? Why? Me the won't me I making him bunkemo.
I know the fault.
What's the fault?
I know the fault. I'm coming. I'll do it for you. Don't worry.
We are planning, say we are going to sit at somewhere.
Don't worry, you go.
I fetch him when you're me. Maybe I hear piano pano kaka my mobile shama Kenya. What is he doing over there? Please come out and take care of you.
I'm coming back at you solo relax. Have you checked your fuel pump?
We have fuel.
What about your oil gauge?
We have oil too.
And the verbatim too?
Everything is correct.
Open your bonnet. Open your bonnet for me.
This.
You have to come and hold this side. You stand here. Hold this side. Because it can easily come down slow for the agony.
So what are you doing over there?
Hold. Yes, nice one. So the fuel gauge.
Everything. See what he's doing.
Oil gauge. Fiber. And the blade food. Good. Perfect. What about the wagon? The wagon. I have to check the wagon very well. So the wagon, I'm coming, please. Please hold it very well for me, eh? Are you guys there? Hello?
What was your way? What are you doing? If you can't do it, please come out.
I'm doing it, don't worry, yeah? Very soon, opening gate.
Hey, Brady Diasa, I'm stepping around and walk far baby. Oh, Brady, son of a good. What's that? What's happening?
Get the house. Hey, wabada, Yami, wabada.
Oh, I'm into Canada. Hey, what?
Who can't any panting? And they say, oh, how one can they say, oh, how one can
That door can be. What's saying?
We're not doing it.
Still record the memory card into me back to Yanko.
Memory card, baby.
You say you said a bad Yanko. We back to Yanko, Mencatino. Madame Yanko, roll. Action.
I'm just not doing it.
Daddy, I saw a cabin view. Your parents are not. Just also pretend Mikaki way. Mikaki way. That's why. That's
na kaya ni mudi ode baba wi ase
yedin waso wo hwa ya se nya
ka me be mo ma se
ansa no
na mo ma se ho no bibi papa be ne wo
wa o ye se asitire ni ya
wo bi a wonte kasa o ti
sa wa kasa so bi a odo wo kwan wo de o ti mi nya hwe
mi ti mi nya hwe ba kra ma kire o vagon
wo kire mi ba
anya bi a ma
vagon ne asa
hey dia wo ya no
wo so dia wo ya ne me mpe me so be tina ha
wo wa dia wo ne me ya ma ni nya
okay cat enti mi ka kini we Send over Joe inside to it so away.
Roll. Still recording, yeah. Action.
I don't know. Oh, yeah,
we are power by that can ask now. Who say on? So we are Diasa.
I am you who kakra.
Obi a le ba so Diasa. What's the idea? Say I will